So this week you saw me make this mold. These two molds, a male and a left and a right. One of the most important things about making a mold like this is the draft, so that you can actually pull it out of the sand. That's the slight angle you saw me sand on here. I also used spray paint and cleaned it up with a little wood putty and made little fillets here to clean this out. I'm going to actually machine the holes here. I already machined the holes in the center and the mounting holes. You saw me cast this. I used what's called pistonium or pistons, which is really good. Really good cast aluminum. Also mix it with some other stuff. It'll be fine. The section here, this is kind of like an I-beam here, so I've got this thickness and this thickness here, and it's actually really equivalent to a very thick piece of aluminum. I think it'll be strong enough. If not, I'll survive. The canoe won't sink anyway, but I think it'll be strong enough. It's actually only about a 3-foot section of the ama. The ama has 150 pounds of flotation. So I've got a 3-foot section, 150 pounds of flotation. They're separated by 7 inches. So there's not a whole lot of stress on these anyway. I'm going to use a 1/4 inch stainless pin. This is the 5/16 I originally planned. I think it'll be fine. Just the back of the envelope calculations, this should be fine. I did the casting. I did the sand casting that took a while. I also machined the hole here exactly the center. You saw me put it on the lathe and get it lined up and do a starter hole and then drill on the drill presses. That's it for this week. Next week I am going to mount CNC the iakos. The folding section will have to have a groove cut in it for this guy here, and then I'll do some sort of pattern and drill some holes and do some through holes connections. The aluminum is going to be stronger than the wood, so if it breaks anywhere, it's going to break in the wood. I'm going to reinforce that with a little fiberglass, so that will be good. That's it for this week, and I hope you guys have a nice weekend, nice holiday.